Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2013 Yamaha FJR1300 with ABS. This bike has 36,300 miles and is offered for $5,990 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great sport touring bike. New ones sell for about $17,000 to $18,000. So this one in excellent condition is about a third of the price of a new one. As you can see, it has removable saddlebags on it that you can take off if you want a little more sporty look. The previous customer also put a nice GV top case on there. Again, that's removable if you don't think you're going to need it. In addition, it comes standard with a center stand. Previous owner added some nice FJR frame sliders on there. Just a great all-around sport touring bike. This bike is on consignment, so we are selling it for the previous owner, but just like every other bike we sell, it's gone through our service department. We did an oil change, safety check. We can provide financing, extended warranty, all that stuff. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.